friends!
From the bright sun to zooming rockets and shiny stars, space is full of wonders.
Are you ready? Let's blast off! This is the sun.
Yay! The sun is a big ball of hot gas that gives us light and keeps Earth warm.
This is the moon.
Yay! The moon goes around Earth and lights up our night sky.
This is a star.
Yay! Stars are bright balls of gas that shine in the sky.
This is Earth.
Yay! Earth is our home with land, water, air, and life.
This is a rocket.
Yay! A rocket zooms into space very fast to explore planets and stars.
This is an astronaut.
Yay! Astronauts are people who travel to space in rockets.
This is a planet.
Yay! A planet is a big round world that moves around a star like the sun.
This is Saturn.
Yay! Saturn is a big planet with beautiful rings made of ice and rock.
This is Mars.
Yay! Mars is called the red planet. Scientists hope humans may visit it one day.
This is our solar system.
Yay! The solar system is our space neighborhood, with the sun, planets, moons, and more.
This is a galaxy.
Yay! A galaxy has billions of stars, planets, and space dust.
This is a space station.
Yay! A space station is a lab in space where astronauts live and work.
This is Jupiter.
Yay! Jupiter is the largest planet and has a giant red storm.
This is a comet.
Yay! A comet is a space rock with a bright glowing tail.
This is the Milky Way.
Yay! The Milky Way is our galaxy, full of stars and planets.
This is Venus.
Yay! Venus is very hot and covered with thick clouds.
This is Mercury.
Yay! Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun.
This is Neptune.
Yay! Neptune is far away, cold, and windy.
This is Uranus.
Yay! Uranus is blue-green and spins on its side.
This is a black hole.
Yay! A black hole pulls everything nearby, even light, inside it.
We learned so many space words today. See you next time for more space adventures.
Great job, little space explorers. Keep dreaming big, and one day you might travel among the stars.